Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to stop followers from sharing your photos or videos from your story in Instagram. Go to Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on your profile picture from the bottom right corner. Tap on the 3 horizontal line from the top right corner. Tap on Settings from the bottom of this page. From Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. From Privacy and Security settings, find the option Story Controls. Tap on this. In the middle of this page, you will find an option Allow Sharing, which is enabled. Toggle up this button to disable Allow Sharing. That's it. From now on, your followers can't share photos and videos from your story as messages. So, in this way you can stop your followers share photos and videos from your story in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.